today's recipe Ramadan special. It's very unique recipe you never tried. Super crispy and delicious. Let's get started. Garam flour 1 cup. Turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Chili powder, 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder, 1 teaspoon. Baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Add water. Make a smooth batter. Not too thick or not too thin. Rest for 10 minutes. 1 zucchini washed and dry. Cut very thin slices. Done. Chili powder, 1 teaspoon. Mix well. Black cumin, 1 teaspoon. Mix it. Zucchini deep with garam flour mixture. Shake excess. Fry until golden brown and crispy. Done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.